plan these demos is we all get together and just brainstorm the themes first, so different ideas. For this demo, holiday appetizers is something we actually do every single year. So we already knew that would be our last one of the year, and I volunteered to find the recipes. The real challenge in finding the recipes is finding unique ones, and then those unique recipes have to fit within our time limit here, and we have to make sure that we're able to use the stovetop and our oven at the same time. So for me, I knew I wanted to do a meat one. That's where I found the chicken cordon bleu meatballs, a vegetarian one with our Brussels sprouts, an appetizer one with our dip and our pita chips, and then just the quesadilla ones. The combination of the brie with pear and onion I thought was really fun. So I just took my own cooking experience along with just technical input from, you know, my other peers and put it all together, and I'm really excited that we're doing it today. It's a great break from the typical schoolwork, you know, that I'm involved in, and I love to cook, so it's just a really good time to interact with the community.
Is this a different manufacturer? Yes.
I actually really like that I get to try out a bunch of foods. Sometimes, like, a bit of a deterrent to trying out a new recipe is that you have to buy a whole bunch of new ingredients, then you have leftovers that you may or may not use. You just have a bunch of old food going bad. So I like that I get to come over here, try out a few things with just everything kind of bought and set out already for me, and really just get to try out a variety of things all in one night.
Parents and prospective students, they are always really pleased to hear, surprised sometimes, excited about the fact that we have this teaching kitchen where students can learn in a real life environment, you know, what we call experiential learning. And right now at Purdue there's a big drive to do more experiential learning, so we're really proud that we've been doing this already for a while and wanting to expand it and grow it as much as we possibly can.